In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delivery note in Zoho Books. If you're managing a business, you know how important it is to keep track of deliveries with proper documentation. That's where delivery notes come in handy. They confirm the goods transfer from the seller to the buyer, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Today, we'll walk through the process of generating a delivery note using Zoho Books, a popular cloud-based accounting software platform. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, look towards the left sidebar of your dashboard. You will see a menu with various categories, each designed to help you manage some aspect of your finances and business operations. For the purpose of creating a delivery note, you're going to focus on the sales section. This is where you'll find everything related to the financial interactions with your customers, including invoices, estimates, and payments. Now, under the sales category, click on Invoices. This will take you to a page that lists all your invoices. This section is crucial because the invoices contain all the relevant information that will be needed to generate a delivery note. You'll see a detailed list of invoices that you have issued, each with important details like invoice number, customer name, and date. It's crucial to make sure you select the correct invoice for the delivery note you're about to create. Scroll through the list to find the specific invoice associated with the delivery you're working on and click to open it. With the invoice open, your next step is to look at the options available to you on the screen. You will notice a drop-down menu labeled PDF Print at the top of the screen. By accessing this menu, you can choose different options for creating and printing documents based on your needs. Click on it to reveal the options available to you. Among the options in this drop-down menu, you'll see Print Delivery Note. Select this option to generate a delivery note for the invoice you have opened. At this point, Zoho Books will automatically compile the necessary details from the invoice into a delivery note format. It's a straightforward process that saves you the hassle of manually entering all the delivery details again. Before finalizing, the document will open in a preview. It's always a good idea to give this preview a thorough check. Here, you can verify that all the details, such as product descriptions, quantities, and customer information, are accurate and complete. Double-checking ensures that you avoid any potential issues or misunderstandings with your customer when they receive their goods. Once you're satisfied that everything looks correct, the final step is to click on the Print button. This will send the document to your printer, allowing you to have a physical copy of the delivery note ready to go with your shipment. And there you have it, a reliable and efficient method for creating delivery notes in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and make sure to come back for more simple, straightforward tutorials like this one.